Tired of fumbling with your wallet at the checkout? Ever wish you could just tap your phone and go? Well, if you're a Monese user, you're in luck. Setting up your Monese card with Apple Pay or Google Pay is a total game changer, making your payments faster, more secure, and completely hassle-free. So, how do you do it? It's incredibly simple, and the process is pretty much identical whether you're on iOS or Android. First, make sure you have the Monese app and either the Apple Wallet app or the Google Pay app installed on your phone. To link your Monese card to Apple Pay, open the Monese app, navigate to the card section, and you'll see a button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap it and follow the prompts. Alternatively, you can open your Apple Wallet directly, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and then use your phone's camera to scan your Monese card. It's that easy. Your card will then appear in your Apple Wallet, ready to use. For Google Pay, the steps are just as straightforward. Open the Monese app, go to the card section, and you'll find an Add to Google Pay button. Just tap it and let the app guide you through the rest. You can also open the Google Pay app on your phone, tap the plus sign to add a new card, and either scan your card with your camera or enter the details manually. Once your card is linked, you can start making payments immediately, wherever you see the contactless symbol. Just hold your phone near the payment terminal. The best part? Payments with Apple Pay and Google Pay are more secure than using your physical card. Your actual card details are never shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique, encrypted number is used for each transaction, protecting your financial information. Plus, you get an extra layer of security with Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's passcode. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.